Of the Holy Spirit. Sumama kayo katakpan naman na. Sorry, napasipos na kayo. Nakabsat kan kaya. Brothers and sisters, it is my honor and pleasure to present to you Joshua and Anna Manipod Tagta at asawa na. Nangagay bagay mo sa marunong. Dapat di mong gananat. Maawa, now I understand why they only give me 15 minutes in their sharing. Maybe you want this to be longer. Oh yes, nana. Tatay ba kami na mga dagamit at kapis? Yes. Okay.